Right, we are right back and we are attempting to solve this particular word problem in front of us. And we note that the sum of two integers is 45. The larger integer is 3 less than twice the smaller integer. Find the two integers. We present a solution to this problem in a step-by-step fashion. First things first, we let x be equal to the smaller integer. The smaller integer. And y becomes the larger integer. So that the sum of these two integers is what? Is 45. Now, we then compare the larger integer with twice the smaller integer. The larger integer is y, the smaller integer is x, and we proceed to compare the larger integer with twice the smaller integer. But the examiner is clear that the sum of two integers is 45. The larger integer is 3 less than twice the smaller integer. Okay, now let's convert this to an algebraic equation. If you say the larger integer is 3 less than twice the smaller integer. So the larger integer y, is 3 less when compared to twice the smaller integer. So if this one is 3 less, it means that this 2x is basically 3 more. And to effect an equality, we must subtract like so. And then put an equal sign here. All right. Now we then label our equations. This is algebraic equation 1, algebraic equation 2. All right. Now what do? We perform substitution. We say put 2 into 1. Okay, because y equals this, so we're going to perform substitution. So we're going to say put 2 into 1. Right, so 2 is this one, and you're putting it into 1, so that in the place of y, you put 2x minus 3. So this is going to be x plus. The y is actually 2x minus 3, which is equal to 45. And therefore, we have x plus 2x, which gives us 3x. And the 3x is equal to 45 plus 3, which is 48. And upon careful examination, we are able to realize that we can divide the left by 3 and we can divide the right by 3, obtaining x equals 16. Now, using 2 together with x equals 16, we have. So we have y, because 2 is y equals 2x minus 3, like so. Twice x is 16 minus 3, which is exactly 32. Minus 3, and this gives us what? 29. Okay, so yeah, that's what we have there. So, what is the conclusion here? We've got that x is 16 and y is 29. Hence the smaller number, or the smaller integer, right? Because we used the words smaller integer and larger integer, right? So we just conclude in that manner. Hence, a smaller integer is x equals 16. And the larger integer The larger integer is y equals 29. Okay, that is the conclusion. But now we need to do a check. We need to do a quick check of this. Are these answers correct? Because the solution ends here. So we find the sum of x and y, and x is 16 and y is 29. So you have 16 plus 29. And clearly 16 plus 29 is equal to what? Is equal to 45. Okay, so the sum works. But we also have the other equation, which is y equals 2x minus 3. Does this equation hold? Let's check. Okay, the larger integer y is 29, which must be twice x is 16, minus 3, 29 here. 2 by 16, 32 minus 3. 32 minus 3 is what? Is 29. And therefore, we have got the result. Okay, now, we have solved this problem, but we solved it step by step. So, yeah, we're excited, and thanks everybody for joining us, and goodbye to you. Goodbye to you.